Yes.
Recording. Okay. So once we have to model any equipment, being on the equipment, first of all, just select the equipment. Now, in equipment, we have different tools. Like this one is the box. If we want to model any box, a rectangular box, we have to create from this. If we want to create any cylinder, we have to choose from this. Okay, different shapes are there in your equipment. So go to general. First we have to create our site. Okay, go to general. First click on the equipment, go to general, click on the site, create site. What is the name of your site? 0303223. Okay, okay, this is our site. Now I want to create under this site a zone. So being on this site, just click on this site and then click on the zone. So your zone will automatically comes under your this site. So how you can manage your hierarchy? Okay. So we ensure that while you have to click anywhere, ensure your selection here. Okay. In E3D, we have to ensure every time which component, which equipment, which zone, which site we have selected in this hierarchy under which we have to work. Okay. So what is the name of your zone? I am creating this zone equipment. Okay. Under this we can create in a live company we can give their name like zone A, zone B, zone C. Okay. Or we can give the name like gasifying area, column area, knockout area. Okay. So what here we can give the equipment name for our zone equipment. Under this zone equipment, we can model our equipment one by one. About this command window, I think you know that from where we can open this. Go to
Tools, no?
Tools and
yes,
command.
go to tools
Tools.
and select on the command. It will come
Yes.
automatically here. So about property, attribute and commands, they will come here. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to clear all these things, just click on this command and click right click and then clear. Clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. So till here, I think everything is clear to you. Any doubt?
Yes.
Okay. So
One doubt, in equipment names, space is not available. Means we cannot put space now.
yes, in equipment name, we cannot manage the space between the equipment name. We have to give without spacing. Yes, we can see that when we are going to create any equipment.
Okay.
Okay.
And one more thing that if you can provide the equipment name, then one more that purpose is there. You can, there unset is mentioned, correct? This is not any purpose related, correct?
No, it's not like that. See that one is the admin work. What is the purpose of
Ah,
that equipment?
okay,
We
okay.
we as a piping engineer, we as a equipment, we are not going to give the purpose of that equipment. Actually, that is
Okay.
decided by the mechanical department. Actually, rotary. RED department, rotary equipment department, right?
Correct, no problem. Yes. And one more
Yeah.
question.
Mhm.
Uh, okay, you continue first.
We are just blocking the space for that specific equipment. Okay, that is
Correct.
under our scope. What is the
Oh,
internal part of that equipment? That is totally under which department? RED,
already,
rotary
okay.
equipment. You got my point right now?
Yes, yes. And now one more thing before you are show one equipment, correct? And
Mhm.
there is a activity is there, correct? And there is a one reference number. How that is automatically generate for this reference number or how?
Yes, that will automatically generated because we have to give the position north, east,
Correct.
and
Okay.
elevation for our specific equipment.
Correct.
That
Correct.
reference number that can auto generated automatically, or
Ah,
either we
okay.
can say that from the backend.
Okay. Okay. I understood.
Yes,
Okay. No problem.
because somewhere we have to take the reference of our equipment. So that is the that coordinate, or the not the right word. Coordinate is not the right word. That value we can take
Okay.
the reference when we work on a live project. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So under zone, till here under zone. Now go to equipment, click on the equipment, and then click on this equipment. Now windows in front of you. What is the name of your equipment? I will share my PDF with you.
D1101 something.
Yes, yes, yes. So this one is the horizontal vessel and reflux drum. Reflux drum D1201.
But,
Reflux drum and D1201. Okay. So just let this east north up value as a blank. Okay, no need to fill these columns, because first we have to model our equipment, and then we are going to set that equipment on that respective position. Okay, you got it?
okay. Okay.
In live project also, no need to give this east north elevation value at initial stage. First you have to model your equipment at anywhere. After that, once your equipment is completed, then you can set, you should have to set your equipment on their respective position. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So just click OK. No need to fill these options, because no need at anywhere. If your project specific, they will uh, give you some directions. You have to fill something in the description, then you have to follow. Okay, actually project to project they will give the specific directions to you, what you have to follow. Okay, so don't worry for that. You have to friendly on the tools. Okay, now just click on the OK. So your equipment RD D1201 is under zone. Okay, if equipment is a very clumsy or a very big equipment, many types of different shapes are there, then you, if it is up to you if you want to create sub equipment under this equipment. Okay, or like uh, if we want to give sub equipment, means for the nozzles, I want to create sub equipment for the nozzles under this equipment. For the cylinder or dishes, I want to create another sub equipments. So it's up to you. Got it? or else if you don't want to create, then no need. Okay, so this is the basic difference between equipment and sub equipments. See, they have already mentioned in sub equipments. In equipments, they can model total your shapes, your cylinder, dish, and your saddle supports, and in sub equipments only some part of the equipment. Got it? What is the difference between equipment and sub equipment? Okay, so under equipment, now yes, that is my, there is my drawing. So first we have to model this cylinder shape. Okay, so what is the length? 4800.
4800.
And what is the diameter for this?
41410.
1410. Okay, just go to the E3D, click on the cylinder. See, always being on this and okay, please ensure that your selection should be at the right place in hierarchy. Now see, it is asking for the specific, the base center, east, north, elevation. Only give the 0. No need to give any reference position, east, north. You just have to fix your equipment. First model your equipment. After that, you can move your equipment to the respective position. Click 0, tab, use tab 0, use elevation 0 and enter. Okay, now it is asking specify the diameter. What is the diameter for equipment?
1410.
Yes, it is asking 1410. Okay, and
Height is
enter. Height
okay. Height is
4800.
4800.
Yes, and enter it. See, your cylinder is there. Just scroll down your mouse and your cylinder is there. Okay. Now, as per the directions, you have to ensure the position of your equipment. Right now, this is looks like a vertical equipment. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Yes. Because upside is vertical. I am
Downside is
watching this equipment from the east side and it looks like a vertical equipment. Either you can rotate now or either you can rotate your equipment once you can model your equipment fully. Okay. Okay. So if I want to rotate my equipment, how to rotate? Just click on the cylinder. When it is red or sorry, red not, pink, it is selected. Go to, you have to search all, means you have to go, we being friendly on this toolbar. How many tools are there in view, how many tools are there, one by one. Okay, now we need to rotate our cylinder. So go to home, only this toolbar, click on the rotate, go to advance. Actually this one is the crack version. Okay, so some options is not work in this crack version. You know about that, right?
yes, yes.
Because in license software we have the full access, but in crack version we do not have the full access. So some commands will not work. But I hope if you get the practice on daily basis, then you will you have a good flow or good speed on E3D. Okay, so choose rotate and advance. So once one window is in front of you, okay, what is that? This is the cursor element. cursor design point. Okay. What is the difference between either? See, I am not doing anything. Okay. One window is in front of you. I want to rotate it. What is the angle? 90-degree. Direction up. Is it okay? Or I want to make it in a horizontal way. So which direction I have to fill here?
North.
North. North or west? This is my west. I want to rotate like this. Under which axis I have to rotate my equipment? Right now this is west. Okay. Okay, as per you want to rotate from with the north. Then click north. Apply. Now this is my north. Now it will rotate like this. Got it? Did you got it or not about rotation? How to rotate?
Now we are looking from the east, correct?
Yes, now we are looking from the east. If we can put the value east, so just assume this. I am here. This is my center point. If I put the east or west, east, either west, then I am here. My equipment will rotate like this under my east axis.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
And if I can put south or north, then this is my axis. This one is my axis. How it will rotate? Under this
Horizontally.
axis. Yes, like this. Okay. So if I put the west and apply, see, it will rotate like this now. It will clear you once you will do practice. Okay. Okay, now tell me how I can rotate this. Okay, let me change the direction. Yes. Okay, just wait. Yes, now tell me which direction I have to fill here. Rotate, advance. I want to rotate my equipment like this in a horizontal. Which direction I have to fill here? South.
We have to put east, I guess.
East, east. Okay. Actually, I am showing you what is the meaning between cursor element and cursor design point. There are, for rotation, we have lots of options. Okay. When we can choose cursor element, it can take automatically the center point of your equipment. Okay. See, when I click on cursor and then element, everything, only your equipment is visible. Left of the options are not open. Okay. See, everywhere, all options are hidden now. Got it?
Yes,
You
sir.
got it?
Yes,
All
yes,
options
correct.
are hidden. So now I have to click on my this equipment. Now no one point is open to me to click. This, when I click on cursor element, it can take automatically the center point. I have only one option. I have to choose my equipment, nothing else, not any point. So just click on this, it will come. Now this equipment will rotate from the center point. This is the meaning, cursor element. From which point you want to rotate your shape, your equipment. While we can use our cursor element, we have only one option. We have to rotate our equipment from the center point only. And if I want to rotate my equipment from any point, then we have to choose cursor and design point. Now all options are hidden. Now see, I am able to choose any center point, like here, like here, like here. Oh, see, it is visible now. All points are visible, right?
Yes, correct.
Got it now. But now I think you got what is the difference between cursor element and cursor design. Cursor element, cursor design point.
Yes. Elements means only center. They are select only the
Yes, it will only pick. See,
center.
when we can work on a live project, we do not have, means at that time we can know what is the meaning of any command and when we have to use that command. Okay. So to save our time at that time, if we want to choose, if we want to rotate my equipment from the center, then why I can go to the design point. I just in an instant I can choose cursor element and just select my equipment and then I rotate my equipment. Got it?
Correct.
Yes. So yes, cursor element, just click on your equipment, give the uh, what value, 80, and
180.
direction we can take up direction. Okay, and just light, it is rotating actually in its own axis. If you can change the direction north, the only axis is rotating. (180). Okay. North and west. 180 is the similar. Okay. 270. Or 30. Got it? 60. 10 degree. Yes.
Can you just, Abhishek, can you just make it in 3D
Sorry.
view?
3D view. Okay. Yes.
Uh, it will be
If you
clear.
want to, make it 3D view, just click on this cursor. This small hole. Just click on this. It will come like this.
Now if you rotate, it will be clear.
Yes. So now I am going to cursor and design point. If you can click on cursor and design point, just choose any point, like from this point. Okay, from this point now I am able to rotate this. degree north, apply. See, now it can take its center axis this point. Apply, apply. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Now, so I think now you understand that initially it is taking the center point from this. When I can choose cursor element and when I can choose cursor design point, then I am manually able to click for any point. Okay. So yes, click on this view, up and north. So I think now we are okay with the direction of my equipment. Okay. Now again go to the equipment. Next is the dish. If you can check my drawing, this one is the dish. What is the distance? 380 and the diameter is same 1410. Okay, 380 and 1410. So this one is the dish. Okay, again it is asking for east north, so you have to just choose. Just click here outside your equipment. Okay, you are able to click outside the equipment so that it is easy to join the equipment. Okay, now it is asking for the dia. What is the dia? 1410.
1410.
Yes, and what is the height? 380.
380. 380.
80. Enter. So this one is my dish. Now again I have to rotate this dish. So see, right now I have selected my cylinder. Okay, so you have
So
to
the
being on the dish. Okay, now go to home, rotate, advance, 90 degree, east, apply. Okay, now it is taking this center point. Now click on the cursor element and click on this. Okay, 90 degree, east. I think now you got my point, how to rotate any equipment, any shape.
yes, yes.
Initially, when I click on directly on this, it can take the center point from,
From the cursor.
yes, from the previous one.
Previous one. Okay.
Previously we have selected design point, na? So
Yes, yes.
that
Design.
can take automatically from the previous one. So one by one, shape by shape, we have to click, means define our center point from which point we have to rotate our shape. Got it?
Yes, got it. Otherwise, what happened that this should be in the previous center point should be there.
Yes.
So
Okay,
this
so
will
now
every time we have see this in this na every time we have go for cursor and choose element. Correct na?
element or either design point. It will depend
Yeah,
upon you which
yeah, I
center point.
know.
Yes.
Correct, correct. This is only single equipment, but more pipings are coming equipment, then that time very difficult. That time we have to check properly selections and everything. Okay.
Yes, yes. That's why I told you first model your equipment. Do not set your equipment at initial stage. Just model your equipment at any
Correct,
place.
correct. Okay.
Once
Okay.
Main
you
part is
are,
moving this.
sorry,
Now main part is moving this to exact location. This cylinder.
sorry, I didn't get your, actually your voice is a
No,
bit
now
low.
we created this cylinder out. Uh,
Can you speak a little bit loud?
yeah, this dish we have we made this somewhere else, na? So we need to move it
Yes, definitely, definitely we have. Just
Main point.
cancel it, and now click on the isometric view. Okay, so your dish is here, you want to move from here to here. So how to move? See, there is, we have a option. So being on which part you want to move, it is highlighted in pink. Move.
Yeah.
Okay, actually move button is not valid, not accessed in this. So we can choose one by one which will work. Offset. Two window in front of you. I will tell the meaning of this window also. Okay, so this one is the graphics and cursor. Now when I can choose the graphic cursor, I can able to choose any point. This one is the center point of dish. I want to move this point to the cylinder of this point. Okay, I have selected 2 points. Now apply. You get it? What I have done?
Again, sir.
See,
Again, because
what is
after
the
going to move,
yes, what is the meaning? Graphics and cursor. In graphics and cursor, I can able to choose the center point or any point like design point.
yes,
And what is the meaning of this element?
which current element.
Only the center point I am able to choose.
Okay, okay.
That previous one I already done that activity, na?
Yeah,
Cursor
this
element and
element, yeah.
cursor design point. So this is the
Yes,
meaning here. What is the element meaning? And here I can choose graphic and cursor. So here I can able to choose any point of my,
equipment, sub equipment.
yes,
Cylinder.
again I can do this new dish. Either you can copy this dish or either we can make model new one. Okay, so let me model new one, so I think it will more clear to you. Clear one dish, click on the dish, just model this dish outside. Click here, what is the diameter?
1410.
1410, enter, and 380.
380.
Dish, just select one, right. Okay, first you have to rotate your dish. Click on the dish, go to home, rotate, advance, cursor element, click on the dish. Okay, and then 90-degree. What is the direction?
Yes,
West. Apply, apply. Got it? Now we are in the right shape. Just change the isometric view. Okay, now go to move and offset. Already chosen graphic and cursor. If I can choose the element and snap, then I am only able to choose the center point only. Only means no, I have no option. It will only apply at the center point. Okay, got
okay.
it? So that's why we have to choose graphics and cursor. This one is graphic and this one is the cursor. Just click on the center point. See, many points are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay,
Hmm.
we have to choose this center one because I want to join this center point with the center of this cylinder. It is selected or not?
No.
It is not selected, I think.
Dimensions will come.
Again, move, offset, and just click at the center point. And now click at the center of your cylinder. Now it is selected. It will take automatically all the values west, south, up. Apply and select. See? Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
Abhishek.
Yes, Abhi.
Yes. Okay. So you can check the shape or view of your cylinder accordingly. So till here we are here. So I think we can take next for in one next class. Okay. For the equip for the nozzle and